In this video, I will show you how to make TikTok video with multiple clips. So to do this, what you have to do is just to firstly open your TikTok. So when done, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, which is this one right here. So when done with that, the next thing for you to do is just to click on this picture icon right here to continue. Then you can then select the video clip which you want to use. Okay. So when done, you can then click on select multiple at the bottom left of the screen. So when done, click on so when done, you can then scroll down and select the video which you want to use, and this one. So when done with that, click on next to continue. Then when done with that, the next thing for you to do is just to click on this icon right here to continue. As you can see, here is the editing format. So right here, you can edit the video which you have right here. Let's say you want to split the video, which you want to cut some parts out, you want to add text. This is where you can do that. As you can see, here's the first video, the second video. So let's say you want to add more video after you've selected these two. What you have to do is just to click on this plus button right here to continue. So when they can then select the video which you want to add to it. So let's use this one right here. Click on it, then click on confirm to continue. So right here, as you can see, the third video has been added to it. As you can see, third one, second one, and the first one. So when let's say you want to crop this video, just click on this, just scroll down to anywhere which you want to cut. As you can see, let me just split this place out. I don't need this part. So when done, click on edit, then click on split. As you can see, it has been split. So you can then delete the one which you want to delete. Just click on it, then you click on delete. As you can see, it has been deleted. So if you want to do any other thing, you can also do it. Add text, click on text, then you can enter the text right there. Then you can move it to any part of your choice. So when done, the next thing for you to do is just to click on the next button at the top right of the screen. Then you add your description and publish the video. So that's all to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.